Die Käsefabrik. Wow. Oh, da riecht's auch nach Käse. So ein schlechtes Gewissen. Jetzt kriegt er ein schlechtes Gewissen hier. Käse, jede Menge Käse. Wow. Wow, krass. Ja, brutalst. Wow. Queso con queso. Ne? Ja gut, das gehen wir halt auf die andere Seite da, oder?
That looks like some. I do not want to watch it. That's alright.
So I hope everybody's here. We can start. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. What are you doing? Let me try again all together, okay? Hello everyone. Hello. How are you doing today? Did you enjoy the tour? Yes. Did you enjoy the weather? Yeah. So welcome here in the Cheese Factory, Volendam. My name is Anastasia, and for today I would like to explain to you how we make our traditional Gouda cheese. Are you cheese lovers? Yes. So before we eat the cheese, we have to make it, right? We will start with explanation. So the process starts early in the morning, and we take 400 liters of the fresh raw milk and put it over here in this special container where we heat it up the milk till 30 degrees. This temperature is very important for this liquid, what called rennet. And rennet is a natural enzyme that helps to make our milk more thick, just like a pudding or gelatin. After this, we use this special knife. What helps to separate the milk in two parts, just like this. So 90% from all our milk will be just the liquid. Actually, it's not just the liquid, it's a magical liquid. I will explain to you why. So this liquid, what you can see over here, called whey, and whey is very, very healthy. First of all, we can give it back to the animals because they really like to drink the whey. And second of all, we can use it for our beautiness. because there is a lot of proteins and minerals. So my colleagues have one secret and I wanted to share it with you today. So they say if you will drink just 1 glass of the whey per day, it will keep your wrinkles away. Sounds nice. Also cheaper than bottles. So I hope that you can see what it does for me because I drink it almost every day. But I'm 46 years old. But the taste is really disgusting. So let's come back to the process. Only 10% from all our milk will be our cheese. But for now, it's just the curds. So this 10% you can see over here, these white tiny cubes will be our cheese. But for now, it's just the curds, and we transfer the curds in this special mold and bring it under the pressing machine for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, our cheese is not ready because there is no taste at all. We have to add the taste to our cheese. And for this, we will use salt water bath. Here, our cheese swimming for about 24 hours, just like in spa. We call it cheese spa. After this, we dry our cheese, put it in a last room or the wooden shelf to make them age. And after 4 weeks, finally, we will get such a soft, creamy, delicious powder. But the longer we wait, the more flavor our cheese will get, of course. This one, which is a 3 years old cheese. Not only the flavor will change, also the structure. So, the 3 years old cheese will be really hard. And it's a perfect combination with the wine. So if we have some wine lovers over here, don't be shy to ask upstairs to try the 3 years old cheese. You really will enjoy the combination because they made for each other. And now we move to the young vegetarian pasteurized cheeses. So pasteurized means that we heat it up the milk till 75 degrees and we use the remnant, this one, from the plant-based. This is what makes the cheese vegetarian. And in those cheeses we can add a lot of different flavors. We can add pesto, truffle, chili, and many more. One funny thing I would like to show you also. Do you have any idea what is this or looks like? Like sausage, right? Some people say it looks like salami, chorizo, right? But there is no meat at all. It's just a smoked cheese. And we smoke the cheese like a smoked fish or meat, something similar. And those one I recommend you to try in the end of your cheese trip, okay? Because of the strong aftertaste what the smoked cheese has. And the last thing for today, what I would like to show you is our special tools for cheese. So maybe some of you already have such a tools like slicer and grater. Not all the people know how to use it, so now I'll show. So first of all, we can use it to remove, to slice the cheese, or we can use it to remove the paraffin wax from the cheese. This part of the cheese we don't eat, but every single day we have people who try to eat it. So I hope I will not repeat the situation today. So we eat what is inside the cheese, not what is around the cheese, okay? So now I'll show how it works, and I expect from you some reaction. We have quite big group. Some reaction like, wow! Okay, when I will slice the cheese, it really will be easy and perfect. Scream, wow! So first will be this part of the group. Here we go.
Wow!
Here we go. And now this part of the group. You're welcome. Everybody please don't be jealous. In a couple of minutes we will go back upstairs where you all can try 40 different flavors of powder. And for now I would like to show you also how the grater works. But for this I will need some help. Maybe there is somebody who wants to assist me. Who wants to catch the cheese and eat it later? Oh, we have one lady. So here we go. You can step here. I will need your 2 hands. Just like this. What is your name? Jenny. So me and Jenny, we can easily use the grater for our favorite. Pizza, pasta, sandwiches, cheeseburgers, burgers, ensaladas, tortillas, nachos, tacos, shawarma, kebab, kapsa normal. For the pizza, ravioli, pancake, cheesecakes. Okay, okay, no problem. It's just for a breakfast. Then you can also use it for your lunch, brunch, second lunch, third lunch, dinner, midnight snacks, and many more. Should you say to me stop and it will be enough for you? Okay, this all is for you. Give a round of applause, please. Don't So now it's the time for the best part. Are you hungry? Yes. But before this, I wanted to let you know that if you would like the cheese, you also can bring it with you at home because cheese is perfectly waxed and sealed. So you can take it in your hand luggages, suitcases, you can go by plane, bus, train, you can go swim or bike. No problem. For 3 weeks without refrigerator. After you come back at home, cheese goes in the refrigerator. So you're part of the group. I would like to invite you for a cheese tasting in the 2 parts. So this part of the group can go upstairs this way, and this part of the group can go upstairs that way. Thank you so much and enjoy cheese tasting.
Okay.